Want to know how to apply heat transfer vinyl to your face mask with Cricut and Easypress too? Then stay tuned for this step-by-step tutorial, and at the end of the video, I'll show a featured blooper. Hi, my name is Kim with Kimagine DIY, where I hope to help you imagine the possibilities with DIYs and crafts. If that sounds good to you, consider subscribing. Now let's just jump into the materials that we will need. R2K is my boyfriend's Twitch logo, and I wanted to also create a mask that had his logo on it too. To start this project, I wanted to use the mask as a template so I can scale the logo correctly. I went over to stickermule.com to use their trace feature. I will warn you, it does reduce the image quality a little bit, but it's fine for my needs. Then I cropped the image and downloaded it to my computer. I renamed it so it can be easily found. Next, go to Cricut Design Space and click Upload. Then upload image and browse. Select your image, and I always click Complex just to be on the safe side. Then click Continue. With the background already removed, just click the preview button just to make sure the image is clean. Then upload your mask template and the logo design. I resized the mask accordingly to its actual size, and then resized the logo to about 3 inches, whatever looks good on your template. Now that I determined my size, I can hide the back template. Since I uploaded this image as a print and cut, we have to change the format to cut only. Now you don't have to change the color of the image, I just did it because it's visually pleasing. Question of the day: what would you love to see design or icon on one of your face masks? Let me know in the comments below. Then click Browse Materials and select Everyday Iron-On. Very, very important, whenever you're using iron-on vinyl, make sure you hit that mirror button. Always has to be that mirror button. I was able to cut a piece from some scrap that I had. And always remember, when placing your vinyl, your heat transfer vinyl on the mat, to put the shiny side down, and then just use your brayer to flatten it out. So hindsight, I should have filled in all the cuts in this logo, made it more solid because it's such a small material. The original logo design is actually like brush strokes, so there was so many little splits in there. It took forever for my machine to cut it, and it kind of looks like a botched job here, but it did its job. It also made weeding very interesting, but it still came out great. Using Cricut Guide helps you set the correct time and temperature needed for your project. I selected my Easypress 2, Everyday Iron-On Vinyl, and my base material, the mask, is made from polyester, and I do have a heat press mat. To make sure that the logo on the mask was as straight as possible, I actually had Tyler put the mask on, and then I just put a piece of blue tape and to see, what would look straight when it was being worn. Then I just traced that line with the Cricut fabric marker, so it'll wash out when it's done. According to the guide, I set my Easypress 2 at 315 degrees. Preheat the fabric for 5 seconds. Then apply your iron-on. Light pressure with your Easypress 2 for 30 seconds. Then flip over and apply light pressure again for 15 seconds. Once it's cooled off, then you can peel back the transfer. I am always so surprised at how awesome heat transfer vinyl comes out. For more weekly videos on DIYs and crafts, consider subscribing. And don't forget to check out that featured blooper at the end. It is my boyfriend's logo on Twitch. So I wanted to Then I cropped the image and downloaded it